Nike is preparing to launch the Air Force One Low Realtree Rattan on October 2, 2025, blending Bruce Kilgore's 1982 classic with rugged, nature-inspired details. The pair trades its iconic leather for warm suede, setting a muted base in rattan and brown overlays that enhance its fall-ready vibe. A light beige foundation softens the look, while Realtree camouflage patterns highlight the swoosh and heel panels, adding outdoorsy texture and contrast. Maintaining its heritage, the sneaker keeps the classic perforated toe box, tonal laces, and Nike Air branding. A soft sail midsole balances the earthy palette, sitting atop a gum outsole that ensures durability and seasonal flair. Priced at $125, the versatile mix of suede and camo styling makes this release a standout addition to any casual wardrobe. Available at select retailers, the design reinforces the Air Force One's legacy of timeless reinvention.